Hey guys, look real briefly. I wanted to show you something. Got some fan blades with a new fan my wife and I picked out. And if you can see here, this is wood sticker. Okay, they call it a veneer, it's just garbage. On the other side, it was painted silver. This color silver there, if you can see that. Okay, so you can see here, this is not silver. I sanded it down, then I seen that this was cardboard, really cardboard, okay? So it's pretty sturdy, but it was cardboard. So I took a razor and with the corner, with the tip, say this is the tip of the razor, right here, the point. Instead of going like this, making cuts, you go straight up, pull along, and what it does is creates ridges on an angle, okay? Do that all the way down. You want the edges to stick all the way down, and then you want to go on an angle this way with the edge, come all the way down, and then on the edges you want to put a line here, line down here, same way, okay? Then what I did was I used real oak, okay? My wife, I told her I wanted to make new blades out of oak. I got some oak right here. It's this size. Take a look. That's real red oak, okay? You can see, window, real nice. And I could have stained it this color. Well, if you look, it's pretty damn close to the same size and thickness of this. See? Hold on, I'll pull it up for you. Here you go. Okay? But my wife was like, we spent over $200. We should be able to have what we want. We shouldn't have to make anything. I was like, all right, well, I don't care. I want to make it. All right? It'd be sweet. This is the fan I want. It was Alexa controlled, all that, right? So I was like, no other one was. Fan blades ain't nothing. Okay, I can fix it. She's like, no, I don't want to make the fan blades. So how I got around that was this. I said, how about we just keep the fan blades and then I'll fix them up. She said, fine. So, if you take a look, this don't look like much. That's real oak. See how it bends like that? That's real oak, okay? Paper on the back. This is called a veneer. It's not a sticker, it's not fake. You can stain it, sand it, whatever you want to do. So what I did was, I went ahead and I applied this. Used contact cement. Guys, Google it, see how that works, it's good. But the clear coat is how I wanted this to really adhere, stick down good, forever. So I'm like, hey, I hit the back. I want it to, as soon as that clear coat's around the whole thing, it's going to grab it hard, right? So take a look. This here, I did it here. You can see this is awesome. Oh, if I must say. It just got some of this part in it. They're really nice. Okay, that's oak. It's nice. It's real wood. It's going to look awesome. Okay, so I wanted to do the other side too. And if you look at this is crazy. All right? This here, I put a little line here, clear coat, but look. You see? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Here you go. See that? It just comes right off. Well, yeah, this is a sticker on this side, or whatever it is. Laminate. It's a sticker, dude. I'm trying to decide here. I'm in a small conundrum. If I lightly sand this, you won't believe this. The other side I barely touch with 320, as you can see here. Okay, look, 320. It went right through. Okay, I was seeing it. I'm thinking, should I scuff it? This really sucked installing this here. Not the front so much, but the edges. Hold on. Guys, look, it don't look like this usually. This is the damn stuff I'm peeling off. But the edges, you know, they look really good. But it was hard, man. And then this goes inside the machine. So, you see, I did this. Just in case you can see this. But it's all done. This was a pain in the ass. This was a pain. This was a pain. This was a pain. This was fairly easy. Okay? But then cutting it and nipping it, and you got a razor and you're trying. Listen, it's not like. I should have just cut them new and said, whatever. My wife, whatever. But that's the issue I'm having now. I'm trying to like make my decision here. I want to scrape this off, use the same technique with the knife, and just put the back on it. Stain it, clear coat it. Because, like I said, guys, listen. I don't care if I use peel and stick tape. Once I clear coat this with that polyurethane all the way around. It's a glove. It's solid. Either way, I'll keep you guys updated. Let me get that off here. You know what? Regardless, whatever. Take a look. Anybody can do this here. I did what I did. I'll add some pictures. That being said,